Going down, 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 down.
Methylphenidate, a drug used to help people with ADHD and ADD, but sadly also something that we make use of, or some people make use of, when developing crystal meth. Now, this goes without a reasonable reason why, but do not attempt to create this. This is only to show that it might be an actual possible way to make it, and by that we're gonna be exploring possible science. Hello everyone, the Alchemical gamer here, also known as the Alchemist Fanglord. Now, as someone with the problem of ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactive disorder, I'm often put on the restriction of having to take methylphenidate, which everyone knows as Ritalin. However, is there actually a possible way that we could make it at home? Well, believe it or not, there might be a chance that we can, but it would probably not be something that I will condone that you do. So, we're gonna be exploring how we can possibly make it with possible science. Now, for the first reaction, we're gonna be having to do this little reaction. And I know you probably say, what is this even meaning? Well, I can tell you. First you have one part with toluene that you later react with what the heck, piperidine 2-ol. But for this reaction to actually take place, you might want to get yourself into using some sulfuric acid, which is where it might be dangerous. And this is actually where we get our first product for this reaction, which is called 2-benzyl piperidine. Now, this would be simple if we could just, end it right here. But nope. Sadly, we have to do even more reacting. And that takes an actual fact that we have to move this one for the reaction now. And the next step is actually the reaction we have here. So, what might H2CO3 be? Well, it's something that you commonly know in fizzy drinks or sodas as carbonic acid. I might as well shrink this down a bit because you can still technically see it, but yeah. You have to have carbonic acid. And here is one of the problems. Carbonic acid actually goes in an equilibrium reaction to produce water and carbon dioxide. So, for this fact, you might want to do the entire reaction itself and produce carbonic acid straight into the mixture. And once again, we have to take our friend sulfuric acid up on their roll so we can produce another acid. Yeah, we change carbonic acid into something else, namely ritalinic acid. So, and this time we are not going to be needing sulfuric acid for the final reaction, because the third reaction is actually simply here, and it's actually one of the easiest reactions to do. And it's actually just to mix the simple little Ritalinic acid with methanol. And this, in the end, will hopefully produce methylphenidate. And as I said, do not attempt to recreate this in your home, because this is classified as a product for making crystal meth. The only reason why I'm showing this is just to explore the science and show that it might be a possible way to produce something like this at home. So, with that, I'm actually done. So, if you like it, then give a like, comment, and maybe subscribe, because I always enjoy having more moon beasts watching the moon with me. So, until next time, the moon may hide a beast in its shadow, but it might just be your salvation. So, see you guys during the next moon phase. I'm the Alchemical Gamer.